Easter egg firing.
Yep. Sharky, 3 please.
This will actually fucking smash your glasses.
Are you going to shoot Ali?
Are you going to try and shoot Ali? That'll fucking kill him.
Don't shoot Ali, that'll be funny as fuck.
Did someone really say exit?
This is going to kill you. Cover your face. Cover your face. 4 eggs.
How many eggs?
4 egg extravaganza.
Right, who's going to get shot then?
No, not me.
Come on, Sharky will go.
Down range so we can see him go.
Right, we'll get Sharky. You go shoot Sharky.
Glasses on. Safety first.
Safety first. We don't want to throw a stick at you now.
In the stones! Beanbag round. Looks like a little berry.
Right, go on, Ali. Run.
No.
This is gonna be awesome. I went like 5 foot past the chair. Fucking hell.
So it's the Andersons.
Sharky, closer.
I can't Sharky. He's like.
Toilets eat
We've got to be able to aim at you. Right.
25-metre engagement. Take a few steps.
Go right forward.
Oh, this is going to be. Keep facing that way.
Jam that fucker right in there.
Put a stone on top of it.
Oh,